Okay, my lovelies, something different today. I've gone and got myself, finally, a plunge pool. Now then, I'll be honest, there's off Facebook Marketplace. Somebody else had a good idea for getting themselves a plunge pool, didn't use it, so I have gained. And here it is though. Brand new. Not used. There's the bowls. So, come with me. Let's get cold. Hey, looks like I've got everything, including a free gift. Reusable ice bag. How cool is that? Excellent. So, this is the pool. Oh my god, it's so much bigger than I thought. It's like a sleeping bag. So obviously, without reading the manual, poles go in here. There's about 6 of them. This is his hat. And this looks like a pump. It's going to take me bloody ages. Right, let's do this. There's the instructions. Pretty simple, I think. So obviously, any of my neighbours want to join in if they can. Well, here we are. I'm back, and look, after about 20 minutes, this beast, which is not really as deep as I thought it would be, is about to get filled. So that's going to take about 20 minutes, I reckon. So, make myself a nice coffee, get my trunks on, pump up the lid, and let's give it a go. See you soon. Well, hi there my lovelies. We have enough water. Just to add to the interest, realise, I know, that's going to drop, I reckon, 5 degrees. 5 degrees. And the little ducky duck says 7. So without further ado, what are we going to do? Get bloody in. Feels like 7 degrees. I think I may have said it doesn't seem very deep, but it bloody does now. Anyway, apparently this is going to be good for my mind and body and soul. I know most of you think it doesn't need improving, but others do. Here we go. 1, 2, and obviously after 2 comes 3, doesn't it? 3! Back to my wind. Breathing. Okay, so this is my test, really. So I won't really be timing myself today, but what I've got to do is go under. And I've got to get to work. Thank you anyway for watching. I only had a shower. Okay, this is day 2. It's first thing in the morning. It's about 8 o'clock. I'm going to time myself this time. See how long it's going to take. I'm hoping for about 3 minutes, but we'll see. And those people putting their bins out today because it's Friday, so they'll probably hear me, so we'll try and be quiet. 6 degrees today. Starting the clock. Okay, I've lost my watch. It's down there. So, try to dunk the head under. Get out. 2, 3. I don't know how to watch as long. But last time I saw it was 2.5 minutes. Obviously, I'll chat back on video. By the way, thanks for support. Speak to you again. Okay then, so this is day 3. Little ducky duck says 6, but it's really cold today. It feels awful. Let's see if I can do more than 3 minutes. I doubt it. Not feeling it today, to be honest. Here we go. Okay, right, I've got the timer on. Burning my legs. Okay, nearly there. Just the last bit to go. Burning my legs. Thanks, been off. Okay. Okay, that's 5 minutes. So what do we have to do? Dunk her out. We don't have to, but it looks good, doesn't it? Thanks for watching. Day 4. In here. Try and do 5 minutes again. Wish me luck. So cold on my legs. It's down to 5 degrees now. Okay, that was 5 minutes, but jeez, that was cold. Freezing today. Right, towel on. Let's get in. Okay there. Okay there, my lovelies. I've just got from work. It's getting dark already, but I really do need to do my 5th dip in a week. Started off with just 3 minutes, apart from the dip, obviously, the first one. But I'm going to try for 6 today. I haven't made 10, but I'm thinking end of 2 weeks, I'll be able to get there. So, without further ado, let's just bloody do this. I must admit, I'm quite nervous actually. But I should be fine, shouldn't I? That's right, I should be bloody fine. I've got to find the sides. Oh, start the watch. Obviously it doesn't count, does it? So the duck says 6. Now look at that. Just over 8 minutes. Oh, I can't believe it. I think I could have done 10, but I need to practice a bit more. Oh. So. So, I've had it a week. I've gone from a dip. Yes, I've done cold water swimming, still do it, love it. But I've had it so cold. And I've done it up now, just over 8 minutes in 5 dips. So, that should encourage anybody. So, if you enjoyed that, watch that video, or watch that video, and obviously, subscribe for more silly shenanigans. Love you all.